Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for beginners. Figma is a fantastic, collaborative design tool that runs right in your browser. To begin, simply create a free account. Once logged in, you will see the main interface, which includes your canvas, the Layers panel on the left, and the Properties panel on the right. Familiarizing yourself with these three core areas is your first step to successful design. Now, let's dive into the essential tools. Frames are crucial for organizing your designs, acting as your artboards. You can easily create basic shapes like rectangles or circles and add text with a wide range of formatting options. For more complex graphics, the pen tool allows you to draw custom vector paths, giving you precise control over your illustrations. These tools form the foundation of any design project. Figma truly shines with its collaborative features. Components allow you to create reusable elements, ensuring consistency across your designs and saving you valuable time. You can also define styles for colors and text, applying them globally. Sharing your file with team members enables real-time collaboration, and the commenting feature makes giving and receiving feedback incredibly straightforward and efficient. It's a powerful way to work together. Finally, let's explore prototyping and exporting. You can connect your frames to build interactive prototypes, simulating user flows and experiences. Presenting these prototypes to stakeholders is simple, allowing them to experience your design firsthand. When your design is ready, export assets in formats like PNG or SVG. For developers, Figma's Inspect mode provides all necessary specifications for a smooth handoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.